So to make your first 2-colour Cobra weave keychain, roughly how long I want the keychain to be. So I'm going to pinch it there with my thumb and finger. And all we're going to do is a Cobra weave. So I start off with the red cord. I always do the left cord, I don't know why, that's just a habit of mine. The red cord goes over the top of these 2 cords here. The white cord goes over the top. It goes underneath and out through that hole like that. Now I pinch the cord down where I roughly want the keychain to start. All I'm going to do is pull those cords together.
Ow!
Like that. So you get something like this. And the next thing, we do another Cobra weave. So the red goes over the top. The white goes over there like that. Underneath. And out the other side. Now the thing to remember when you're doing a Cobra weave is whatever cord you start with goes on top and the other cord always goes underneath. Some people do it the other way round, but I found this way a lot easier. And you just keep going. Right, so if you're still here, well done, thank you very much. If you could do me a favour and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And if you want to support the channel, you can also hit the join button down there. That way you won't miss any of my latest videos. And if you become a member, you get to see my videos at least 24 hours before anyone else does. Right, we're near the bottom. You can see it doesn't take too long once you get the hang of it. I can do a couple more, I think. There you go. Now all I'm going to do is snip and singe. Now what I do when I snip and singe, I leave a couple of millimeters away from the keychain. Oh, that wasn't a clean cut. There you go. Don't matter. And on the other side I'll do the same. And now all you do is just burn it. Now with my knotters tool I'll just smooth that into the keychain like that. And I'll do the same for the red. Smooth that in. And if you want to make a Mad Max style bracelet, check out the video up there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.
Okay, see you later, bye-bye.